mostly the same since opening nearly 126 years ago. Back then, there wasn't grandstand seats, and of course no theatrical lights. There also wasn't one furnace, there was 15 burning at once. Back then, coal-powered, today natural gas. That burns at 1,200 degrees Celsius. When 15 furnaces burnt at once, in this room, they measured temperatures over 55 degrees, but that measurement was taken at the back of the room. You can only imagine how hot it was here where I am. Saying that, even though I'm working with one furnace, that's still very hot. What I'll demonstrate is extremely dangerous. For your safety and mine, I'll begin with a safety briefing. Please, for the duration of the demonstration, remain seated in my safety gear I'll wear, as well as the process of how I will pour the gold, because I'll work very quick. Once the furnace is turned off, immediately the gold will cool. After just over 1 minute, that gold is entirely solid. So by explaining the steps beforehand, you'll know what to expect as you're watching. First, I need more safety gear. Picture this. It's 1899, the Royal Mint Perth branch is opened, and I've shown up to work as a gold pourer. This leather apron would be the only piece of protective gear I'm given to protect myself from the furnace. What about gloves? No gloves. Scrap fabric was wrapped around the hands. That's bad, but I'm grateful I didn't work here in the 50s. They thought a safer option was asbestos safety gear. 3 words that don't belong in the same sentence. Today, I feel very safe coming to work as a gold pourer. Not everyone gets to say that sentence. My safety gear, I'll explain from the toes up. I'm wearing steel cap boots on top, leather spats to stop liquid gold falling into my shoes. My trousers and shirt made of a flame-resistant fabric. I won't wear that apron. Instead, one shinier. The outside aluminium to deflect heat away from my body. The inside merino wool regulates my temperature and non-combustible. If a flame falls on, the apron will not go up in fire. Instead, slowly it will burn in one spot. The lining, a material called Kevlar, allegedly bulletproof. I don't plan to test that out. Though, did you know Kevlar? It's used in what NASA astronauts wear and Formula One race car drivers. I do get a pair of matching oven mittens, very long to offer protection to my shoulders, worn for the first part of the gold pour. I'll change to leather gloves, allowing dexterity with my hands. And finally, I plan on keeping my eyebrows attached to my face. I'll wear a face shield. The gold inside the furnace is sitting inside one of these, called a crucible, made of clay and reinforced with graphite. These are made in Germany, cost $150 each, withstand temperatures up to 1,700 degrees, but they will get wear and tear. After 3 weeks, they'll look like this and become more porous. Most of us would see this and think, that needs to go in the bin. That's not worth $150. Of course not. Now it's worth more, because the crucible of still have my